The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Viewers, subscribers, big up respect, this a Dancehall skiller, you see me? Now, this video, yes, it is out on social media, first things first, but I got information about this video, where it is said that no one got injured or got hurt, you see me? But however, viewers and subscribers, some of the times, some of these informations about these videos on social media, might not be accurate. You understand? Yeah, it might not be so. So, therefore, right, I am only hoping that no one really got hurt or injured. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah. So, me just tell you like it is, viewers and subscribers. Me not gonna beat around the bush. So I'm looking at this video and I said to myself, yo, what could have caused these two persons to be so heated, so angry at each other, eh? This is a hostile confrontation of viewers and subscribers. You see? And according to the information that I got about this video, it is said that this had happened within the country of Jamaica. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, I don't have the exact information as to exactly where in Jamaica this had happened, but it is said that this had happened in the country of Jamaica. When we are going to stop fight amongst ourselves? I mean, look at the video, man. Look at how angry these persons are at each other. No, sir. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, talk about something like that now. I have a video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show off a person talking about some things about Jamaicans and Chinese. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, some of the things that this person had said on social media, they find it to be racist. You see me? While other persons had different things to say about what this person had said. You see me? And I'm going to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a listen to it. You can also tell me what you think. You see me? You can tell me if what this person had said, or some of the things that this person had said, if it is actually racist, or is it that this person is talking some things that make sense, or what. You see me? Let me know what you think. And by the way, the things that this person had said, they are not the views and opinions of Dancehall Skilla. This video is out on social media, and I'm only bringing this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, because this video is getting somewhat of a buzz out there on social media. I'm going to bring it to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think, alright? Yeah, and to also keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I'm going. Alright, so this video that I'm going to present to you, some of the languages in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now take a look and listen and observe.
Go on, me does. Right now, me a man name to talk on them thing here, because we can't really change them and sit here, because them sit here bigger than me. Over the years, them thing here fly past over my head, because I'm a politician. But for some reason, he just give me advice to say a word or two. We just a chat to my brother, and my brother tell me, say, yo, here, boy, the Chinese, them are infesting on the rascal place of Jamaica like cockroach. And man I say, yo, one at a time, man I say, yo, the wharf owned by the whole of Chinese. Chinese own the wharf completely. Me I say, man I say, yeah man, couple years ago, you'd have a European country own 60%, Chinese own 40%. European company say, yo, I sell out, and them that sell it, Jamaica couldn't buy it. Nobody else can buy it, so the Chinese buy it and hold the whole 100%. Now, me don't know how that sitting on my head, when I try to puzzle it out. So me I say, because me don't see how another country phone another man port. That blood clot can't add up. You understand what I say? Because if you remember me a youth, I go to Jamaica. The whole of downtown and everywhere. Chinese wholesale, Chinese wholesale, Chinese wholesale, wholesale. Now we use a Chinese wholesale everywhere. Every crevice, every corner, in a bush, in a woods, in a sea, in a valley, in a blood clot, cliff. Everywhere we go save there. Now, no little yard man can't open no wholesale. Any man will go back a yard, will get deport or voluntarily go down back, or wherever them do, them go down there. Them can't have no wholesale, cause them crank up a wholesale, said like a pussy hole them down there, grudgeful the man and turn around kill the man. But yes, when China come in, China put up a blood clot wholesale, big like Bumbo clot stadium, put in supermarket, put in this, put in that, and nobody no do them nothing. The same blood clot people them down there praise up the Chinese. The government take care of the Chinese, the police them secure the Chinese, and everybody look up to the Chinese. But I see him, look a man come down now and look a blood clot thing, and in no time we no kill him. They no get it. When the Bumbo clot you come on and rise up and open up on the head and see what go on, because guess what? There's no unity. As soon as a man bark and a man says something and a man says something against a man and it's wrong or it no sound line up with the way a man want to hear a man attack about you, I'm going to shell down man. But when the blood clot Chinese disrespect and spit pound like blood clot carpet on ground, nobody now go shell down the Chinese. Couple years ago when the blood clot Chinese man, bald Chinese woman, whatever it is, box a little girl on that blood clot. No Chinese no dead. No nigga from Jamaica can't go to China. Nowhere in a China go box. No China pick me on blood clot alive. Me nah ask you no that. Me tell you no pussy all that. Can't go nowhere China. And I deep sea go box. No pick me and live. And them come down there and box blood clot pick me. And nobody no create. Nobody no dead. Everything cool. Push them come in with the motive and take over a place and on down there and on can unite amongst each other. I think that you can't do. Them, I mean when I talk to them pussy old people in Jamaica. Them pussy old, them not see China come in and I figure out everything and I take over everything and I maneuver them way. In no time, around 10, 15 years from now, you know, in a real Jamaica, you know, that blood clot on who wang or whoever the one blood clot, he might be a dog and rat are dead down on that pussy wall. And that me I try tell you. Who I look about them about the place of a blood clot then.
The bat?
Who I back them down at that blood clot I go get near my ass. Them are coming in a container, you laugh like a bumbo clot joke.
True.
Every minute a container drop down a blood clot off, you have 10,000 Chinese in our back.
That's true.
I come living at the place and take over the place and then what make it worse, the Jamaican them down there now say nothing. But as a little man get the port, a little man, even when the Chinese them come with their money and buy up them building there, no government asks them where they get the money from. But as a little man in America, blood clot come down with 10 grand, we not question the man where he get the money from, where he get the this, where he get the that, and he plug in with blood clot cartel, and he plug in with this, and he plug in with that. But the Chinese come and buy bumbo clot building, and no man no ask him where he get the money from. Don't ask you where did the America, the way did the Canada, the way did the England, the way did the Mars, a blood clot, do. But don't ask the Chinese, not where you get him thing from. Me no get to know. Bumbo clot, that me I try make you know. Me no get to know. Bumbo clot, no sick the stomach me have to talk about no, cause me no know one of the pan of that blood clot.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. The video that shows up a person saying some things about Jamaicans and, you know, Chinese and other things as well. That's what I'm saying to you. Now, viewers and subscribers, here's my point of view about something like this, though. So, may I say, I'm kind of tired of hearing the whole racism thing. That's what I'm saying to you. I'm tired of hearing about this person and that person and, you know, the race and so forth. So, may I say to you, I mean, there's only one thing we really and truly want to say right about now is everybody just look at everybody as the same and equal. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, no matter your skin color, you see me? It's the person within. You understand? Yeah, so from you're a good person, you're a good person. Well, if you want to be a bad person, that's your choice. But the thing that I'm trying to point out is that we need to start look at each other as the person within, not the person on the skin. It's like the book cover. No. Not like that, you see me? Me really and truly, I am tired of hearing this whole racism card, you know. Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, let me know what you think about the 2 videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, and you can let me know what you think about all the things that I just said a while ago. Here's what I'm saying to you. Yeah, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think, and love each other, bless each other, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.